Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Godaddy domain to WordPress. Alright, let's begin. Start by clicking on the web hosting section. Here, find and click on Manage. Next, click on the cPanel admin located on the right side. This will bring you to the cPanel dashboard. Scroll down and find the WordPress option, then click on it. You will be directed to the WordPress installation page. Here, you'll see the domain you have selected. The directory field is optional, and you can leave it blank if you want WordPress installed in the root directory. Confirm the current version of WordPress, choose your preferred language, and decide if you want automatic updates for WordPress itself and any installed plugins. Be cautious about which WordPress plugins you install, as they can affect your site's performance and security. You can also set up automatic updates for your WordPress theme and choose to enable backups. Next, set up your administrator account by entering a username, password, and email address. You can also configure a tagline for your site. Consider enabling Jetpack for two-factor authentication and limiting login attempts to enhance security. If you need a multi-site setup, you can enable it here as well. Once everything is set up, click Install. The installation process will begin, and once completed, you will see options such as clone, uninstall, or go to WordPress admin. Click on WordPress admin to access your new WordPress site. From there, you can start managing your site, including installing plugins as needed. This is how you can install WordPress on your Godaddy site. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.